Over 70% of air plant owners struggle with wilting, drooping leaves that fail to thrive. Discover the 2 key reasons this happens and how. 89% of people water their air plants incorrectly, leading to rot or drying out. Learn the 3 proven methods for properly hydrating air plants. Air plants need very specific lighting to survive. Positioning them in the wrong spot can kill them within 2 to 3 weeks. Avoid these 4 deadly placement mistakes. Over 65% of air plants become infested with bugs that eat them from the inside out. Recognize the 2 most common pests and how to safely eliminate them. Just 1 teaspoon of the wrong fertilizer can chemically burn and kill an air plant within 48 hours. Use this simple 2-part formula for safe fertilizing. Air plants can't tolerate any frost or cold temps below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep them away from drafts, AC vents, and outside placements that expose them to cold. Stagnant air is the kiss of death for air plants. 87% of owners accidentally restrict airflow, smothering their plants. Ensure proper 360 degrees air circulation. Air plants need to be mounted properly to thrive long-term. Use these 3 simple mounting methods that securely hold your plants in place. Avoid these 8 deadly mistakes and keep your air plants thriving long-term. Download our free, in-depth care guide packed with pro tips.